Upgrade your pool care routine with ease. The best pool timer ensures your pump runs on schedule, saving energy and money. Simple to set, durable, and reliable, it's the smarter way to keep your pool crystal clear every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Intermatic T104, our pool timer. The 47802 pool timer is a powerhouse when it comes to managing high-voltage pool systems and other commercial-grade applications. Built with a double-pole, single-throw, DPSD mechanism, this timer can control two-line, high-voltage loads up to 40A, making it capable of handling motors up to 5 HP at 240V or 2 HP at 120V. This makes it a reliable choice for pools, spas, HVAC systems, and even industrial setups. What sets this timer apart is its 24-hour mechanical control system, which allows up to 12 on-off events per day with simple, analog scheduling. There's no need for digital programming or Wi-Fi. You simply set the trippers and let the timer do the rest. Housed in a Type 3, our metal enclosure, the 47802 is weather-resistant and designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you install it in a garage, equipment shed, or near your pool, you can trust it to withstand harsh conditions while keeping your system running smoothly. The unit comes with one on and one off tripper, and you can add more to customize up to 12 on-off cycles daily, with a minimum 1-hour interval between each. Another strong point is its wide-range commercial equipment. The 47802 pool timer offers robust, no-nonsense scheduling power. It saves energy, reduces wear and tear on equipment, and eliminates the need for constant manual switching. If you want a mechanical timer built to last, this is one of the best choices you can make. Number 2. SURAIELEC Pool Timer. The SURAIELEC Pool Timer is designed for homeowners who want an easy, reliable way to automate their pool pumps, heaters, and outdoor equipment. Featuring a twist-lock L5-20R plug, this timer ensures a secure power connection that won't accidentally disconnect, making it a safe option for poolside use. Rated at 20A, 125V, and 1 HP, it's ideal for above-ground pool systems, outdoor fountains, garden devices, and even some heating equipment. One of the biggest advantages of this timer is its mechanical on-off design. No Wi-Fi, no apps, and no complicated programming. You simply insert the included green, on and red off, trippers into the dial to set up to 3 on-off cycles per day. If you need more flexibility, you can purchase extra trippers for additional control. The transparent cover lets you check the timer status without opening the case, and its weatherproof housing is built to handle rain, dust, and cold temperatures, making it a reliable year-round solution. Installation is as simple as it gets. Just plug the timer into an L5-20P outlet, and you're ready to automate your pool pump or other outdoor gear. There's no wiring or electrician required, which makes it an affordable DIY solution for pool owners. Built for outdoor use, the SURAIELEC timer reduces energy waste by automatically switching your pool equipment on and off at set times, extending the lifespan of your pump, heater, and other devices. It's a cost-effective, safe, and simple tool that takes the hassle out of daily pool maintenance. If you want a plug-and-play timer that's durable, secure, and built specifically for pool and outdoor gear, the SURAIELEC Pool Timer is an outstanding choice. Number 3. NEMA L5-20, our pool timer. The NEMA L5-20 our pool timer takes pool automation to the next level with Wi-Fi smart control. Designed for residential pools, this twist-lock plug-in timer supports up to 20A, 125V, and 1 HP, making it ideal for pool pumps, filters, and salt chlorination systems. The L5-20 our twist-lock plug ensures a safe, secure connection, meeting poolside safety standards while preventing accidental unplugging. What sets this model apart is its smart Wi-Fi capability. Using a mobile app, you can remotely control your pool pump from anywhere, adjust schedules, check status, and even integrate with Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control. This means you can simply say, "Alexa, turn on the pool pump," and it's done. The weatherproof design is another strong point. Built from heavy-duty, UV-resistant PC material, this timer can withstand rain, sun, and moisture, ensuring reliable operation outdoors. Unlike traditional timers, it requires no comp specifically for pool equipment, so you can run pumps, lights, or even salt systems more efficiently, saving energy and maintenance costs. With smart scheduling, you can avoid running your pump longer than necessary, which extends the life of your equipment. Number 4. 20A 125V 1 HP Pool Timer. The 20A125V 1HP Pool Timer is a versatile and user-friendly solution for automating pool pumps and related equipment. Featuring a L5-20R twist lock plug, it provides a safe, secure connection, ensuring your pool equipment won't accidentally unplug. Rated for 20A125V and 1 HP, it's strong enough for pumps, lights, heaters, and salt systems. This timer stands out with its 7-day digital programming capability. You can set up to 20 on-off events per week, allowing complete control over your pool's operating schedule. It even includes daylight saving time, DST, auto adjustment, and a manual override button for quick changes, making it flexible and convenient. Built for outdoor use, the housing is made from heavy-duty, weatherproof PC material that resists UV damage, moisture, and environmental wear. Whether it's dual and you're done. This makes it an excellent choice for homeowners who want a DIY-friendly timer without installation hassles. Number 5. 40-amp Pool Timer. The 40-amp Pool Timer is built for those who need serious power and control for their pool and outdoor systems. Capable of handling 1 HP at 120V and 2 HP at 240V, and supporting resistive loads up to 40A across 120, 277V. This heavy-duty timer is ideal for pool pumps, water heaters, and patio lighting. It's ETL listed and conforms to UL STD.60730-1, ensuring top-level safety and reliability. This model offers impressive versatility with 7 on-off program settings. You can choose from 15-day combinations, single-day schedules, or continuous 24-hour settings. It even has daylight saving time, DST, adjustment, and a random function for extra flexibility. The built-in rechargeable battery backup is a standout feature. It retains your schedules for up to 3 months after a power outage, so you don't have to reset everything manually. Constructed with a lockable, weatherproof metal casing, this timer is tough. It's resistant to moisture, abrasion, and UV exposure, making it perfect for harsh outdoor conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.